AFS NIKKOR 200-500mm f5.6 EED VR super-telephoto zoom lens. In August 2015, Nikon announced 3 new lenses that would soon be available to the photographic community. Introduced that summer day were the AFS 24-70mm f2.8 EED VR, the AFS 24mm f1.8 G ET and the AFS 200-500mm f5.6 EED VR super-telephoto zoom lens. What made this lens so surprising were its focal length range and price. Nikon and Canon are known around the world as the leading manufacturers of telephoto lenses for professionals and serious amateurs. This super telephoto zoom lens gives astounding views comfortably in reach. Wherever your passion lies, this outstanding super telephoto zoom lens can bring into focus, capture and share stunning views of birds, wildlife, motorsports, athletes, performers, landmarks, and other faraway subjects. A fast f5.6 constant aperture gives your shots beautifully out of focus backgrounds across the entire zoom range. Turn fast moving action into dazzling photo sequences. The electromagnetic diaphragm operates in sync for the fastest subjects and shutter speeds, while vibration reduction, image stabilization keeps your shots sharp and steady. I am using this lens since 2015 in the wilderness in the Mahaweli System G, Alahara and Bakamoon areas, capturing the alluring wildlife with immense happiness and with much dedication and with immense love for the Nikon optics. I love this AFS NIKKOR 200-500mm f5.6 EED VR super telephoto zoom lens a lot.